Before the sun rises, the gates of one of the world's most advanced crab processing facilities are already open for business. Every morning, a convoy of refrigerated trucks arrives, each one carrying thousands of live crabs fresh from aquaculture farms and inland rivers. Inside each truck, live crabs are packed in breathable mesh containers, kept alive to preserve their natural moisture, firm flesh, and full depth of flavor. Some crabs travel submerged in chilled, oxygen-rich water, a carefully engineered environment that keeps them in perfect condition from farm to factory. A dedicated receiving team, fully equipped in protective gear, carefully unloads each container of live crabs onto the stainless steel inspection platform. Quality control begins immediately. Every crab is assessed for vitality, shell condition. And wait, nothing enters the production chain without passing inspection. Even the transport water is tested, temperature, pH, salinity. And dissolved oxygen must all fall within strict specification before a batch is accepted. Every accepted batch is precisely weighed and logged into the facility's digital tracking system, beginning an unbroken traceability record for every single crab. Crabs not immediately scheduled for processing are moved into the live holding area, a refrigerated room designed to replicate their natural aquatic environment. Inside each holding tank, continuous aeration maintains oxygen levels, while the chilled temperature keeps the crabs calm and preserves their body mass until processing begins. Automated sensors monitor water chemistry around the clock. Any deviation from optimal conditions triggers an immediate alert to the operations team. When a batch is called forward for processing, the crabs are carefully transferred from the holding tanks to the entrance of the production line. The first processing stage is a thorough wash. Live crabs enter large rotating drum washers, where high-pressure jets blast away mud, sediment, and debris from every surface. The gentle tumbling action combined with targeted water jets reaches every joint, leg, and shell cavity, ensuring no trace of sediment or contamination remains. After the drum washer, crabs pass through a secondary rinse station, a final curtain of clean. Treated water ensuring nothing has been missed before the next stage. Trained inspectors examine every individual crab passing along the conveyor, removing any that show damage or defects before processing continues. The cleaned crabs now enter the chilling chamber, a carefully controlled environment that humanely slows the nervous system before the cooking phase begins. Inside the chamber, the crab's body temperature drops rapidly,